Market experts in the country see the upcoming budget to be presented on July 23rd as a stepping stone towards the creation of a $5 trillion economy. As per experts, the markets have been touching new highs since the formation of the new NDA government, and they believe most of the policies announced in the interim budget will remain unchanged.
बड़ा ही अहम बजट है क्योंकि ये मार्केट एंगल ये चीज होती है कि भाई हमारी इकोनॉमी जो कहा जाता है कि नेक्स्ट 3 साल में 5 ट्रिलियन हमको अचीव करना है और 2030 तक 7 ट्रिलियन अचीव करना है, तो मोदी 3.0 का ये जो पहला बजट है वो उस दिशा में स्टेपिंग स्टोन रहेगा। यानी मार्केट ये देखेगी कि हम क्या क्या कदम सरकार उठाती हैं, कैपेक्स कैसे करती हैं, एसएमई और एमएसएमई को कैसे बढ़ावा दिया जाए, ग्रोथ एंड इन्फ्लेशन के बीच में कैसे बैलेंसिंग किया जाए।
Experts also advocate for increased tax slabs, which they believe will benefit the middle class by putting more money in their hands to spend and contribute to the economy.
If I speak about middle class, they expect that the tax rate should come down so that they are left with more money in their hand so they can spend towards buying a, two-wheeler, buying a house, going on a vacation, buying white goods, things like that. So basically, if they are left with more money in their purse, they will do the spending, which will help the economy to grow faster.
Market experts are hopeful that policies supporting investor sentiments will be prioritized as Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman prepares to present her 7th straight budget.